Good morning students, class 6 student. In the previous video, I told you the summary of an Indian American woman in space. You know we are talking about Kalpana Chawla and from the report writing you have also done one exercise. So today we will start the chapter. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontiers of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. Now, Kalpana Chawla never dreamed that as she was born in Karnal that she would cross the frontier of space, she would go into the space. It was enough that her parents allowed her. Her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after the graduation, and he had done that graduation from Tagore School. After a Bachelor of Science degree means BSc, in aeronautical engineering, against great opposition from her father, she went for a master's degree. Her father didn't want that she would do a master degree to the United States of America, but she did. She later earned her PhD in aerospace. In aerospace engineering, Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut, a person who travels in a space to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in a successful mission in space. After the opposition of the father, she went in USA, and from there she did master degree, and she also did PhD in aerospace engineering, and she was the first Indian American woman astronaut who was born in India but went to America and participate in a successful mission in space. And she also participated in a mission in space. Her family from India cheered along with the staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia lift off. And not only her family, but the people who lived there, they also very happy when they saw that Kalpana participate in a mission. Kalpana was born in Karnal, a very familiar city in Haryana, Karnal, but was a naturalized, adopted US citizen married to flight instructor Jean Pierre Harrison. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single engine seaplanes, and gliders. All these things. Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, and she became the US citizen married to flight instructor whose name was Jean Pierre Harrison. Besides being an astronaut, she was an astronaut, but she also gliders and engineless aeroplanes. She also approved legally to fly single and multi-engine airplanes, single engine seaplanes, and glider. She was also a certified flight instructor. After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge, applying to NASA's space, and he loved to face challenges, so she took another challenge and she applied to NASA's space shuttle program. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. First hired as a research scientist at NASA. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. Now, when asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, I never ever thought while pursuing my studies, carrying on. When she was doing a study, she didn't ever imagine that she would become an astronaut. That I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country. I pretty much had my dreams like everyone, but she had dreams and she followed them. And people who were around me, fortunately, always. And she said, all people always encouraged her, and said, if that is what you want to do, carry on. Whatever you want to do, so continue that. Kalpana's first space mission in the first space shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours, 34 minutes long. An exercise is given in the end of the chapter. You have to take all the information from here. 16 hours and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the earth 250 times. 252 times she took round the earth, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. Her companions included a Japanese and Ukrainian astronaut, and in that there were Japanese and Ukrainian astronauts. Also, the crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food in space, and tests for making stronger metal and faster computer chips, all for a price tag of about $56 million. And they also performed many experiments such as pollinating plants, fertilizing with pollen. They observed food growth in space. They also observed what is the growth of food in space, and they also test for making stronger metal and faster computer. On the Saturday night, when the news about Columbia disaster broke, what was Columbia? A space shuttle. Broke disaster. Yes, all for a price tag of about $56 million. On the Saturday night, when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, when it was destroyed, there was shock and disbelief. Everyone was shocked and could not believe. The town of Karnal spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued stick to their television sets in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived. Now, when they saw all the residents of the Karnal spent their night as sleepless, they could not sleep because of the crash, because of the disaster that took place. She was a heroine, now a journalist, news reporter wrote, she was a hero. It takes enormous, very big ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. In this age of specialization, you must have encyclopedic vast. You must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. Her achievement is awe-inspiring, amazing. Her experience was very amazing. And now a journalist wrote that Kalpana was a very brave girl and she had a lot, she need to know a lot about, she knew very much about everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. So her achievement is surprising. So students, you have seen that how Kalpana Chawla was a brave girl. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the skies, had become an inspiration, promotion. And now for the young generation, she has become an inspiration. In a message that she sent from abroad, the space shuttle Columbia, two students of her college in Chandigarh, she sent a message for the students in Chandigarh. Kalpana said, the path from dreams to success does exist. The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it. Everybody has dream, but you have to try to fill them, the courage to get onto it. You should be courageous to face the challenges, and after that you would be able to get success. Wishing you a great journey. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams. So students, you are able to understand this story, Kalpana Chawla's story. Thank you, students.